te ba mta sngi fi ngelai oi ba fi dan hang ni ha ka headquarter Khaliariat te nakaliang jong pi kum XMLA kum no fi don ban ong nak benta kan ka jingalang mta sngi
ba ngadon hang ni ngawan hang ni ban kersan ya kani ga jing ki jong kini ki NGOs ki jongi namar ba hanga hi personally ngasiam ba kani ga jing ki ga jong ki kadai hok bakin le namar ba ga jing sning jong surok kalong ga balap chmalak ka sakawero pek kumni hapo town area jong iro hadu kat ni ka condition ki bri ki balai ki bawan charum chaneng ki badon kam banwat ya ka jingko ka jingkhia badon kam balai chi ki office ki kena school ki balai bawan kadon ka jingma ka bakrau namar ba ki jingyai jong ki trok ka jing sning jong surok kalong ka jingma la ka benta jong ki habayai ki trok ki mau ki separate keleng shanu kin poi shanu kin dei yanu kin pen mensau ngimla bantim kana kadang ngasiam ba gani ka jingi ki jongki ka dei ka ba don ka dongrim unta aku mu beri personally ngayas nok tilang mat.
Bless po.
Thank you. Exactly what about the state government, but I know regarding the deputy commissioner office, I have met him, and we both the village cleared east and west also we have personally meet the DC, and through him he have convey the message till to the government, even to the Nahai, whatever possible from his best he have tried, but nothing has come up. The outcome is remain the same. That's why I have joined this agitation, because the government or I don't know even the Nahai, they did nothing till this. Most.